Got Gary wearing the sensors. Try it out.
Let's walk it off. Get jogging. Okay, let's jog. All right, time to challenge your QB skills in the pocket.
So we're looking for just the Raiders to pop up. And so the other thing like this, running down the
Check all of your reads. Make sure you take advantage of short routes and stay open longer. Nice work hitting the open man. Keep marching down the field with the possession game. Nothing wrong with that pass. Incomplete. You can't wait forever. The defense is going to be all over your guys. Don't forget, the D wants to take you down, so you got to react to the play.
Stop!
Ooh, missed that one. Maybe a quicker, shorter play this time.
Is this information being transmitted through the what's their lives?
Those short ones add up. Short and sweet. Short plays pay off. Shorter plays will keep you in the game. Keep those chains moving.
Based on
Now that's winning play. Way to go for the long one. Nice short pass. Begin walking.
Nothing but hurry.
when I run, I got one D and I got worried. I'm like, that's nice enough too.
Test your accuracy and your mental toughness with the quarterback window challenge. Pressure is on. You're really moving it upfield. First down and 10 to go. Nice throw. This is it. It's now or never. Way to hit those windows. Good timing. Way to move the ball. Last chance to make it count. Here we go. First and 10.
Yeah.
That's how your coach is going to want it done. Fourth down. You'll see lots of game time if you keep this up.
That was rough. Oh, God.
You can do better. I've seen it.
Man. A minute and 30 seconds less than you. more than me.